Introducing the sleek and stylish 2021 Seat Tarraco 2.0 TDI 150 HP DSG 7S SE in grey. Packed with features like Bluetooth, cruise control and parking assistance, this estate vehicle offers luxury and practicality. Safety is a top priority with multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own this top-of-the-line vehicle. Contact us today at bradyscaven.ie for more information. Drive home.